Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to go through what I completed from the Vicki Boutin, whatever this one is, I think Color Rush or Color Study or something, page kits that I were putting together. So this one, I got one, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's so I got 15 layouts done at the crop, which is actually kind of impressive. I got 7 from that one, 7 from this one, and then I had created a bonus layout with something that Jamie had asked us to do. So this is the first one, and I used that big circle piece and really just didn't have a lot of embellishments, I remember. So I did just make the best of it, right? I don't know if that one's supposed to be way up there. I feel like it's supposed to be down here, but we're gonna go with it. So there's that one. Then we've got this next one here, and you'll notice a lot of matting going on, just making sure, but again, not a lot of embellishments because I didn't have a lot. So this again, matting, just to get some things on there. I was not gutting papers because I was trying to use it up, but I think this one really does bring out a lot of the stuff. And then I had some more embellishments going on over here. More embellishments here, pulling in some stuff. I used some thread. That's not even like attached down. There we go. I ran out of ATG. I didn't bring my ATG. I didn't run out of it. I forgot my ATG gun, and I had to use other adhesive, and I just don't like other adhesive as much as I like my own. So we've got that. I went ahead and started using, then see that I moved into a different collection and started pulling some stuff from that once I realized, I cannot not have embellishments on here. So I was working my way through. But I did put this one on here with the cards, and then just kind of jazzed the cards up using, you know, all kinds of fun stuff. This one as well. I liked this one. I like the hexie. Made a little shaker pocket out of this cami raw, and it got all the fun stuff on there, but again, you know, double matting. This one was fun, and I just kind of turned it and like made an interesting little layout. So I've got the clear, but they look blue because they were clear bubbles. This one's actually my favorite design. You may actually see me do that later. But that's it. So that's really running through this one more time, so you guys can kind of see. Stay in frame. There we go. What I completed. And using up the stuff. The ladies were like, you make such pretty layouts. And they're like, and the thing is, you don't even, I'm like, yeah, I hate these collections too. And they're like, that's, you know, I don't know, people were amazed. So I was truly blessed and loved hanging out with those girls. I created all these page kits for that crop and the one in North Dakota, which technically I would be on right now, except for I got, sent to Germany. So I'm in Germany right now. You guys are watching this. I mean, I'm filming this on the 21st of July because I'm trying, that's how far ahead I'm getting, because I will be traveling for work, and so great opportunities. So just pray for a safe return and that I arrived safely. And if you guys don't hear from me, it is because I am overseas currently. The Hubs is holding down the home fires, and I will be back. But unfortunately, I had to cancel my North Dakota trip, so the next scrappy trip that I will be doing is in October for Sheila's Color, and that does make me a little sad because I like hanging out with my girls. I might try to make it up and do something maybe in November, you know, I know, but still August was supposed to be a week long, and I've always wanted to go to the Dakotas, so I'll get there sometime. But so that's going to do it for this layout. Stay tuned. We'll create more page kits, and as I create the items from it, I will kind of hold them, and we will do a separate little review of what I got completed. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you later with another video. Bye.